Anyway, ma'am, according to our system, we're so grateful that you are always stay here in our hotel, at least once a month, and availing our services and products frequently. And in that case, ma'am, we would like to ask you if you want to avail our club membership. Please tell me more. Oh yes, ma'am. This club membership is good for 1 year and it only costs 4,999 pesos. That it that includes 15% discount in any amount of our hotel rooms in terms of any activity and use of facilities such as swimming pool, fitness gym, solar room. You are free to use it all for your stay, ma'am. You can also enjoy 10% discount on your selected products and services like our restaurant, bars, and even our banquet events on our function hall. You can also avail our services in spa such as massage and more in 20% discount. Aside from them, mom, your immediate family members can also use your membership card and enjoy discounts. Oh, that sounds great. I'm interested in this membership. You made a right decision, ma'am. Alright, can I have your extra time, ma'am, to fill out this membership form? All the membership information are included in this form, ma'am. Please don't forget to signature over printed name. Um, Here, ma'am. Okay, here. Thank you. Just give me a minute, ma'am. All processed. Welcome to the club, Miss Agustin. This is your club membership, ma'am. At front of your card is your name and member and expiration date of your membership. Please sign the back of the card to verify your membership card, ma'am. Okay, this is my full payment for the membership card. Okay, ma'am, I received exact amount. Here's your receipt, ma'am, together with your membership card. Please always bring your card, ma'am, every time you check in our hotel to avail your discount. Oh, thank you. I'm really excited with this. Thank you so much, ma'am, for availing our membership club. We are so excited to give you the best experience and discount price. Enjoy the rest of your stay at Vizcayana Hotel.